In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 360 by 5 using the long division method. See that 3 is less than 5, so we will consider the number 36. We know that 5 times 7 is 35 and it is closer to 35. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. And we know that 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 360 divided by 5 is equal to 72. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.